Top Gun here, Wednesday, September 11th, about 8:45 on the West Coast. This is the daily market commentary. Okay, so the big event today was the August CPI this morning before the open, and headline CPI came in up 0.2% month over month, and core came in up 0.3% month over month. Now the estimates were for 0.2% for both headline and core, so the report was a little hotter than the Fed and bulls would have liked. So markets are now inferring that the Fed is going to cut 25 basis points on next Wednesday on September 18th, and that they're taking 50 basis points off the table, which is why the market is selling off. Now, if you look at a chart, I think 5,400 on the S&P is an important level because the market has spent very little time under that level in the last 3 months, which means that most people that are in the market have bought above that. So if the market goes below that, almost everybody who's bought in the last 3 months is underwater, and short-term players are going to be looking for a spot to get out with break-even or to minimize their losses. So I think below 5,400 is a problem for the market. Okay, now second I want to talk about GameStop, which reported earnings Tuesday afternoon. So sales in the first half of 2024 are down 30%. So that's just a slaughter. But GameStop only lost $31 million on net income, and free cash flow was minus $49 million. And what's happened is GameStop has sold 120 million shares to the public for in excess of $3 million in the last few months, and they're selling another 20 million. They announced in conjunction with yesterday afternoon's earnings. So what GameStop is doing is they're selling shares to raise cash. So they have 4.2 billion on the balance sheet. They're going to raise another 500 million with the 20 million share sale. And so what's happening is GameStop is essentially a zombie. The company has no intrinsic value. It doesn't make money. It's not the ongoing business has no worth, but they can keep going because their burn rate in relation to the cash that they have on hand is such that they can keep existing in the state for quite a while. So it's a quintessential zombie.